Hey everyone, this is Alex. Welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. It's 1 in the morning. I've been surfing all day and doing LeetCode problems and I'm tired. But this is the last one. So this is problem 1679, max number of k-sum pairs. You're given an integer array nums and an integer k. In one operation, you can pick two numbers from the array whose sum equals k and remove them from the array. Return the maximum number of operations you can perform on the array. So if you have k equals 5, you have 4 plus 1, and then you have 2 plus 3. So you can do two operations. You can remove both, all these two. You can remove two pairs of numbers. So, how shall we do this? I don't know. Well, actually, no. Okay. So this is how we're going to do it. Let me get this example. And let me open Paint. And let me paste it. So we have this going on. So what can we do? Let's just iterate the array once and do something like, hey, for the first position, is this number bigger than what we have or equal? Then if so, let's ignore it. We need to find two numbers that sum. So we find 3. Okay, so 3 is smaller. What would be the complement of it? It's actually 3. So we store 3 here. And okay, cool, great. And so this is like a set. So we say 3. Then we continue. Okay, we have 1. Is 1 on the set? Because it would be enough for the sum. No, it's not. Okay, so 6 minus 1 is 5. So let's put 5 on the set. Because that would be nice. That would be good. So then we find 3. Is 3 on the set? It actually is. So hey, great. So let's remove 3 from the set. And let's add a number of operations. It was 0 and now it's 1 because we did one operation. Okay, let's move next. Number 4. It's smaller. Yeah, good. It's on the set. No. Is the complement? So 6 minus 4, 2 is 2 on the set. No. Okay, let's just put 4 here. Then we find 3 again. Is 3 on the set? No. Well, we can add it to the set, but then it's over. Cool. And we just did one operation, which is, output 1. I think this was pretty simple. So first of all, we create complements, which is a set. And now for number of operations is 0. So for num in nums, if num is bigger or equal than k, continue. If num in complements, then we do complements dot remove num, and number of operations dot plus 1 plus equals 1. Okay, else actually complements shouldn't be a set because I want it to be a counter. I want to make it a counter. So complements of num minus equals 1. So complements of num bigger than 0. If it's not bigger than 0, then I think we just need to increment the k minus num, because we want to complement, and then return number of operations. Submit. Well, it worked. One shot, one kill. This was a quick one. Okay guys, see you later. Gonna sleep.